Do you repeat the same words again and again when speaking English? There is an easy way to fix that. Use pronouns. Pronouns make your English smooth, clear, and natural. Let's learn them today. Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. Today we are learning pronouns, words that replace nouns to avoid repetition. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. We use pronouns so we don't repeat the same names again and again. We use these pronouns as the subject of a sentence. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Example sentences. I am a student. She is my sister. They are happy. We use these pronouns as the object of a sentence. Me, us, you, them, him, her, it. Example sentences. The teacher helps me. I see him. She calls them. These pronouns show possession. They tell us who owns something. Mine, ours, yours, theirs, his, hers, its. Example sentences. This bag is mine. The house is ours. That book is hers. These pronouns refer back to the subject. Myself, ourself, yourselves, themselves, himself, herself, itself. Example sentences. I made it myself. They enjoyed themselves. These pronouns point to things. This, that, these, those. Example sentences. This is my phone. Those are my shoes. Great! You now know many types of pronouns. But don't worry, you don't need to remember everything today. Just start using them little by little in your daily English. Look at these pairs. Say the pronoun after the noun. Let's check your answers. Ravi, he. My mother, she. The students, they. The book, it. You and I, we. Good job! In the next lesson, we will learn about verbs, action words like eat, run, write, and speak. Verbs are the heart of every sentence. Thank you for learning with LELTA today. If this lesson helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And don't forget to watch the next video, Verbs in our Parts of Speech series. Hello everyone. 10. Action words like eat, run, write, and speak. And don't forget to watch the next video, Verbs in our Parts of Speech series.